Good morning. My name is Nadiyatul AULIYA, and today I would like to present about software, operating system, and hardware. These three components are very important in every computer system because they work together to make computer functions properly. In our daily life, we use computer for studying, working, communication, and entertainment. By understanding software, operating system, and hardware, we can better understand how technology works and how computers help us in many activities. First, let me explain about software. Software is a collection of programs, instructions, and data that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. Software is very important because it allows users to interact with the computer and use it for different purposes. For example, when we type documents, browse the internet, or watch videos, we are using software. Without software, computer hardware cannot work because hardware needs instruction to operate. In simple words, software is the brain that tells the computer what to do. Type of software. There are three main types of software. The first is system software, which manage and control the computer system. An example is the operating system. The second is application software, which helps users perform specific tasks such as writing, designing, or browsing. Examples include Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, and PowerPoint. The third is utility software, which is used to maintain and protect the computer system, such as antivirus program or disk cleanup tools. Each type of software has an important role in making computer useful and efficient. Next, I will explain about the operating system. An operating system, or OS, is the most important system software on a computer. It acts as a bridge between the user, software, and hardware. The operating system manages all computer resources, including memory, files, and hardware devices. It also allows applications to run properly. Some common examples of operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Without an operating system, users would not be able to use computer easily because there will be no system to control the hardware and software. Function of operating system. The operating system has several important functions. First, it manages files by organizing and storing data properly. Second, it controls memory to ensure programs run efficiently. Third, it manages hardware devices such as keyboard, printers, and monitors. Fourth, it provides security to protect user data from threats. Finally, it offers a user-friendly interface such as menus, icons, and desktops, so users can interact with the computer easily. These functions make the operating system essential for every computer system. Importance of software and operating system. Software and operating system are essential because they make computer useful in everyday life. They help people work faster, communicate better, and access information easily. In education, software is used for online learning and presentations. In business, it is used for data management and communication. Operating system also provides security and system stability. Without software and operating system, computers would only be machines without practical functions. Therefore, they are necessary for productivity, communication, and modern technology. What is hardware? Now, let's move to hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer that we can see and touch. These components work together with software to perform tasks. Examples of hardware include the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, printer, and speaker. Hardware is important because it provides the physical tools needed for input, output, processing, and storage. Without hardware, software would have no device to run on. In simple terms, hardware is the body of the computer, while software is the brain. Main hardware components. Hardware consists of several main components. First, input devices such as keyboard and mouse are used to enter data into the computer. Second, output devices such as monitors and printers display information to users. Third, the CPU or central processing unit is the main processing device that handles instructions and calculations. Fourth, storage devices such as hard disks and SSDs store data for further use. All these hardware components work together to make the computer operate efficiently. In conclusion, software, operating system, and hardware are three main components of a computer system. Software provides instruction, the operating system manages results, and hardware performs physical tasks. Together, they make computer functional for education, business, communication, and entertainment. By understanding these components, we can use technology more effectively and appreciate how computers support our daily lives. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand more about software, operating system, and hardware.